If you have a YouTube channel and you are always looking for topics, instead of writing the idea on a piece of paper or on some file on your computer, you can use a TubeBuddy video planner. This is a very handy tool. You can use it for free for 5 topics or for endless topics if you use a Pro or Legend plan. Start by adding the TubeBuddy extension. It has a lot of other tools you can use for productivity and to grow your YouTube channel. The links are in the description. After you have it, go to YouTube and here you can open the TubeBuddy menu. It is on the right side. Find the video planner tool, and when you open it for the first time, you have an empty planner. You can add a topic from here, give it a name, and some notes you can add to this video. When you add a topic, you can also change the order of the topics, so you can see what the next idea you want to make the video about. After you create the video, you can move it to the completed videos. You can also delete the topic if you decided it is not a good idea. The main reason I like this tool is because I can add topics from comments. Every comment on YouTube can become an idea for a video, and you can watch this video to see how. So when I search for new ideas or I want to know what people are asking the most so I can create a video that people search for, the best ideas are in the comment section. So when you find the idea, you can click on the box to add that to the video ideas. After you gather ideas, you can delete the ones that are not good for a video or repeating, or you can combine the idea into one topic. You can view the list of planned topics, the ones you have already completed, or all of them. You can also use the keyword planner from TubeBuddy. Just click the button and then you'll get a new window where you can add keywords you think might be of interest. When you find something you like, just mark it. Once you have all the topics you find, you can click on the button and select Add to Topic Planner. This way you have that video idea on the planner. If you want to learn more about how to search for topics with vidIQ and TubeBuddy in the comment section, you can watch this video next. Subscribe and like this video.